In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play with your friend Survivor IO. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open Survivor IO on your device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Make sure that you have friends on this account to be able to play with your friends on Survivor IO. Go ahead and claim your daily rewards to be able to progressively claim more and better rewards throughout the week. Now click on that X button at the top right of your screen to close this rewards section. Click on that and go ahead and click on the chapter chest. So as you can see in here, currently I'm on chapter 5. To be able to play with your friends on Survivor IO, you'll need to unlock chapter 12 on Survivor IO to be able to unlock the co-op mode on the platform. Now the co-op mode or the cooperation mode option on the platform will allow you to play Survivor IO with the friends that you have on your Survivor IO account and invite them whenever you want to be able to claim and achieve more rewards on the platform. To be able to unlock that chapter 12, you'll need to unlock chapter 11 and the chapters below chapter 11 to be able to unlock the co-op mode. And that is how you can simply play Survivor IO with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.